Hi everyone. Today being the 19th day of the Swasthya 365 days project, let's look on to one of the world's major public health problems, the tuberculosis. So what is tuberculosis? Tuberculosis is a bacterial infection that primarily affects the lungs, but it can also affect the other parts of the body like the genitourinary tract, the joints, bones, lymph nodes, etc. This disease is caused by a bacteria named Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Let's look on to certain problem statements and know about the burden of the disease. Tuberculosis remains to be one of the world's major public health problems which has been present since the ages of mummies and has been killing a lot of lives every year. As I said before, tuberculosis is the disease that has been present since the ages of mummies, and skeletal remains show some prehistoric human being who belonged to 4000 BC had tuberculosis, and researchers have found tubercular decay in the Egyptian mummies dating to 3000 to 2400 BC. But in today's scenario, even though we have a lot of cases, technology has advanced and we have a lot of drugs that are useful in treating the patients, and also vaccines that prevent from getting affected, which reduces the burden of the disease to a greater extent. It is estimated that about 1/3 of the current global population is infected asymptomatically with tuberculosis, of whom only 5 to 10% will develop clinical disease during their lifetime. India is the highest TB burden country in the world in terms of absolute number of incident cases that occur each year. It accounts for about 1/4 of the estimated global incident TB cases in the year 2017. Tuberculosis in India is a health issue, but it makes it more worse is the recently discovered total drug resistant tuberculosis. The issue of total drug resistant tuberculosis began with the multi-drug resistant tuberculosis and further moved on to extensive drug resistant tuberculosis, which has now landed up in total drug resistant tuberculosis, which is seen in India itself. What causes drug resistance in our country? We feel that getting a disease is still a social stigma. So the people do not go for proper treatment and follow up, and then land up in drug resistance due to failure of treatment. Tuberculosis has even thought to be a curse that is given by the king during the olden days, and people used to go plead to the king to forgive them and bring them out of the disease. In India, tuberculosis occurs at a higher rate because of the population of the country. Poor built environment, including the hazards in workplace, poor ventilation, overcrowded homes have also caused an increase in the exposure of tuberculosis. Tuberculosis risk is high in India because of the majority of patients are not able to afford to the treatment drugs that are prescribed, and hence the government has brought out a lot of schemes so that people can get the drugs free of cost. These are all the problem statements that are present in the tuberculosis. In the next video, let's look on about the definitions, natural history of the disease, and more about the disease. Stay tuned.